Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 49, partition list. This is medium level question, which is not that tough question. Basically, you're given a linked list and an integer x. You are just need to kind of a sort type of thing. You have to uh, sort the number less than that x element on the left hand side and bigger element or equal elements on the right hand side, and you are just supposed to preserve the relative order of the given linked list. So this is a simple solution. Basically you are created to a and b. Sorry for the background disturbance if it's coming. And you just iterate over the root given. You keep adding either in b or a, and at the end you just return. So this is the space and time complexity, and I'll post more videos. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will post more videos.